Yo guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to play Among Us. So this is an online game and you can play offline also. So let's play now. So we will play online, find game. Okay, first we will enter our name. Okay, Ekansh22. Okay, we will keep our name Ekansh22. Find game. Okay, we will join in this Kiki. Oh, what? We will join in Fa. The game you tried to join is already started. Okay. Imposters, I want 3. What now? Okay, 1 only. Back, we will go back. Find game. We will go in this. Oh no. All game has started only. This. Mew Mew. Okay. So we will keep our this and hat. I want which hat should I put this? Okay, I will put this hat. Okay, so I want to customize again hat. Which hat can I use this? Okay, this is also nice. Oh, I will use this. Okay, this is nice. Okay, game player speed. Okay, the game has started. What will I be? Crewmate or imposter? Oh no! I want to be imposter. Okay, nothing. Oh, our speed is so slow. We will go in storage. So we will complete missions. Okay, we will go. Oh no! Emergency meeting. Okay. Oh! Mew Mew left the game. Okay. What happened now? Vote begins in 1:45. Okay, I vote. Wait. I think 123. Okay, I voted 123. I think Professor or 02 is the imposter. Okay, now Professor is only left. Oh, 123. Now what will happen? No one was ejected. Tie. Okay. One imposter remains. So we will go by shortcut. We will stay safe from. Oh, weapons download data. Okay. Upper engine. We are in upper engine. Oh, what happened? I want to go in storage, man. Oh, what happened? Oxygen depleted. Oh, what? We are a ghost. He is the, This player is the imposter. Now I know. See. Come here, anyone come here. Now where is that 120? Now where is that player? Here is he. Okay. Oh. Again he killed Professor. Okay. So he is here now. He will be here. Okay. Oh. What? Dead body reported. Skip. Oh man. Vote. Player. Vote player. Please. Everyone vote player. Okay. 123. Who? Okay. Who did? Please vote player. Okay. Who is this? Oh, 123 was not the imposter. Oh man. Okay. This player. Okay. Where is he going? Oh, he is there. Now where is he? Oh, he is here now. See. Now he will be here. So I think he is here now. Okay. So we will follow him. Oh. Oh man. Professor and me are following fixed lights. Okay. We cannot fix the lights only. Okay. Where is the player? He killed Naz also. This player. Where is the player now? He is here. Wait. Oh no. Where is he going now? You're dead. Finish your tasks to win. Okay, storage. So I will go first in storage. Fast. Oh no, emergency meeting. Oh man, this player can win. Okay. Okay. No one was ejected. Oh man, defeat. We will play again. Okay, play again. So guys, see, I left that game. Now we will play a new find game. Okay, we will join this Sycomel. Okay, customize. I want to keep my color this. Okay, in game. Okay. I want. Okay. Why players are not coming? Oh, my speed is increased. Okay. Why players are not coming? Okay, one player has come. His name is Kim. One more has come. Who is she? Sycomel. One more. Who is he? Sircheese. I don't know what his name is exactly. Okay. Why players are not coming? Customize game. Okay, there are 9 players. We want one more. Okay, one more player, then 10 players. Oh yes, start the game. Oh yes, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Imposter, please. Imposter. Shh. Oh, crewmate. Okay, so we will go in electrical. So we will complete the tasks. Electrical. Oh no. Here no. We have to go here. Okay, here now here. Here we are electrical. Fix wiring. Okay. They are saying fix wiring. Use. Oh man, why now this is not happening? Okay, yes. Oh yes. We completed this navigation 1 out of 3. Okay, now what is this? Use. What is this now? I don't know. I have not used this. Okay. Oh no. I think he is the What happened? So guys, see, I have joined other game because it was stuck. I don't know why it was stuck. So we will change our color. PUBG. This is Among Us. Why he has written PUBG? Okay, player has written. Where is player? He is there. See, we will use another hat. Can we use this? Okay, we will use this only, or this. Oh, why can I not use that. Okay, so the game has started. Imposter, please, imposter. Oh yes, I'm the imposter. Now we can kill anyone we want. Okay, fake tasks, so we will vent. Okay, is anyone here? No one is here. Sabotage. Okay, so how will I close this? Like this. Report. So I want to go here. Vent. Oh man, no. Is anyone here? No one is here. Yes, use emergency meeting. I have done emergency meeting. Okay, I'm the imposter. Where? Start PUBG. Okay. Okay, we will vote this man. I voted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 also voted. Okay. PUBG. He has named his name PUBG. Okay. Fast. Only Lilac is left. She is not voting only. Voting ends in 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh yes, player is out now. Oh, so player is out now. Player was not the imposter. One imposter remains. So we will come here fast. Vent. Okay. Here. Vent. Okay, what is this? I don't know which room is this. Reactor. Okay. Okay. Kill. Oh man, why kill option is not coming? Oh man. Wait, we will hide here. Is anyone there? No one is there. Vent. Is anyone here? I am going to kill you. Is anyone here? No one is here. Why no one is here? Is anyone in medbay? Okay, can I kill him? Dead body reported. Yes. Now this Lilac Ingafa old man left the game. Player should not tell chat in the chat box. This is my weaving. Oh, Yao left the game. So where am I? I voted already. Yes, this is my weaving. No. So only 2 people are left, and if Lilac left the game. What are we going to discuss now? PUBG. Voting ends in 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, yes. Player kick. Oh, so voting is now over. Voting is over, no? Why? What's happening? Okay, guys. Oh man, shit. Oh man. We are defeated. No. We will play again. Okay. We were defeated. Only 2 people were left, man. So see guys, we are here now. Why my color is changing? I will keep this. Now in this game we will use another hat. Okay, how is this hat? No, this is so tall. Okay, we will use this. No, this is not okay. The game has started. Imposter. Again imposter. No. I am the crewmate. Okay, let's go. Gabriel left the meeting. Okay, storage fix wiring. I think storage fix wiring. Storage, we have to go in storage. So where is the wiring? Okay, you. Okay, this here, this here, this here. Oh man, dead body reported. Now who reported? Oh, Gabriel and player are this dead. Now who is this? Who? I will also type. Who man? Who? Who man? Who? Who man? I will vote ketchup. I think ketchup is. Who? Hey. Who man? Who? Who man? Who man? Who? Okay, voting ends in 85 seconds. Okay, see guys, voting ends in 3, 2, 1 second. Okay. So ketchup, I think ketchup is only this. We will see. Ketchup was the imposter. Was not the imposter. Oh no. Okay, one imposter remains, so we will do this. Storage. Fix file. Oh wait. Oh, I think that yellow one is this. What? This imposter. We will see. Gigui. Okay, is she the imposter? No. Ketchup left the game. Use. Okay. Electrical. Now we will go in navigation. Okay, where is navigation? I will use. Okay, yes. Done. Upper engine, fuel engines. Okay, upper engine. Fast. Upper engine is this. Upper engine, no, this is lower engine. Where is upper engine? Upper engine. Okay, you. Okay. Now in storage. Go one more time in storage. Why we have to go several times in storage only? Oh, storage. Now use this. Oh, okay, I have done this. Now lower engine. Okay, we have to use in lower engine this time. Oh, okay. Use. Oh yes, task completed. So cleano filter. Where is cleano filter? First of all, I will go in storage fix. Dead body reported. Wait a minute. I think this Poochie is only this. Poochie is imposter. Voting begins in 5, 3, 2, 1. Poochie or Guigi? I vote for Poochie. Who? Okay. Poochie has voted. 2 remaining. Okay, is Poochie the imposter? Is Poochie the imposter? Poochie was the imposter. Yes. We have won this round. Victory. Cut. So guys, previous game we have won and we will play another. So we will join this. Oh, the game you tried to join is already started. Okay, we will join this. It's full. This. Oh yes, we have joined this. Okay, so I will use another hat. Fast. Which hat? Which hat? Which hat? Can I use this? No. I will use this. No, this. I will use this only. Or this is no. This is not nice. I will use this. This. Okay. Okay, 10 players are there now. Full. Start. Okay, the game has started. That sound didn't came. Crewmate! No, I want to be imposter. Okay, nothing. We will storage fix wiring. We will go in storage fix wiring. First of all. Okay, storage fix wiring. Storage. Where is storage? Wait a minute. They all are here. I think someone will kill anyone. Oh. So I will come. Oh, emergency meeting. Senos. Oh man. What now? No one was ejected. Tie. I know this will only happen. One imposter remains. Our time. They wasted our time. Again, storage, fix wiring, storage. Why is she coming behind me only? Wait a minute, I think she's the imposter. Wait. Okay, if she kills anybody. Dead body reported. Now, so I think so that Lily is only the imposter. Vote begins in 2, 1, fast. Okay, I voted. Who kill you? Who? Yellow? Oh man, what is he? Speak to me. What? This orange one is saying that yellow is only the imposter. But yellow is dead only. So how he will be the imposter? Green? No, I am not the imposter. Okay. Lily is only the imposter. Lily, pink, really? Lily is only the imposter. Lily is imposter. Okay. Lily is imposter. Okay, vote fast. Yes. How? Okay, fast. Lily is imposter. Lily was the imposter. Yes. And she only told us that she is the imposter. Okay. Cut. So guys, for today it's all. We will meet in our next video. Till that time, bye bye and take care.